Hey guys, this is Nicholas. So if you live in California and if you already got your COVID vaccines, as of today, you can already get your digital version of the COVID-19 vaccination record. I already got mine. The process is extremely straightforward, so let me just walk you through it. First of all, you need to go to State of California's official website. It's myvaccinerecord.cdph.ca.gov. I have the link in the description below if it's easier for you. Once you are there, you need to fill out all the required fields in order to receive a link to a QR code and digital copy of your COVID-19 vaccination record. You need to fill out your first name, last name, your date of birth, as well as the cell phone number or email address that you used when you received your COVID vaccine. If you don't remember which one did you use, you can actually try both. And then you also need to provide a 4-digit PIN code to access your vaccine record. Make sure you remember the PIN because it will not be provided to you in either the text message or the email that the state of California is going to send to you. After that, you need to check the box to provide authorization to access the record. The final step is simply click Submit. If you provided the wrong information in the previous step, then you'll get a text message or an email saying that, hey, you idiot, the information you provided does not match the information in our system. Please contact CDPH COVID-19 Help Desk. If you click on that link, it will take you to the digital COVID-19 vaccine record troubleshooting website from the California Department of Public Health. You can go through them to see what went wrong, or you can just go back to the first step and then do it all over again with more accurate information. If all the information you provided match with California's system, then you receive a different text message or email. This time it says, "Thank you for requesting a link to your digital COVID-19 vaccine record. The link to your COVID-19 vaccine record and QR code is valid for 24 hours. This is a very personal link, so make sure you don't share it with anybody else like I did in this video." So go ahead and click on the link. Once you click on the link, it will take you to another web page, which will ask you the PIN code that you created in the previous step to access your record. Once you enter your 4-digit PIN correctly, then you'll get your personal digital COVID-19 vaccine record. On the left-hand side, it has a QR code, and on the right-hand side, it has your name and also your date of birth. It also shows the date and the type of vaccine that you took. If you took the Johnson & Johnson vaccine, then it will only show 1 dose. But if you took the Moderna vaccine or the Pfizer vaccine like me, then it will show 2 doses. Remember, the link that you received through your text message or email is only valid for 24 hours. I highly recommend that you take a snapshot of it so that you don't have to repeat the same process all over again next time when you need it. If you are a parent or a guardian and have multiple vaccine records associated with a single cell phone number or email address, you have to enter each digital vaccine record request separately. So there you have it. If this video helps, I'll greatly appreciate if you can give me a big thumbs up below. This can help the YouTube algorithm to push this video to more people like you. Even if you are fully vaccinated, but please stay safe and enjoy the rest of your day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.